Hi friends, welcome to dhanamtej.com, Amazon affiliated products website. This is our Amazon affiliated marketing website wherein we bring all the Amazon products, the best Amazon products and the best sale offers products. So we have categorized various categories of products divided into women's, men's, kids, electronics. You can see a lot of electronic gadgets we have. All these are best offers and best sell products imported from Amazon website. And we have featured product section where we have the Amazon collections and groceries. All the grocery items of Amazon is featured here. And we have a special area, Amazon sale offer. Amazon sale offers, whatever the sale offers Amazon brings in, we bring those sales offers information here. Like as recently the Amazon Great Indian Festival for Dasara Diwali is going on, that sale offer information, everything is brought up here. Since this is an Amazon affiliated products, affiliated marketing, all the orders are fulfilled by Amazon. So whatever orders you booked from the dhanamtej.com, it is directly fulfilled by Amazon. Because whatever products you click, it directly goes to the Amazon website official sites. And we bring in the best offer products, and the payment also is very secure, as all the payments you do on this site, it is redirected to Amazon payment gateways. So we are a registered company. dhanamtej.com is a registered company in India, and you can see the featured products is there. And also we have a recent post, as I was saying, Amazon phones deals revealed. This is the Great India Festival offer going on for Dasara and Diwali. This has started on 15th of October and still the offer is going on. So here we have the same similar products imported from the Amazon website. Any product you want to choose, you just click on that particular product, then it is directly redirected to the Amazon.in, the official website, and the prices are the same. There is no price difference between dhanamtej.com, the Amazon affiliate marketing, as well as the Amazon official website. The only difference is you will be getting all the information with related to the offers and the best products, and we import only the best and the featured products and the sale offer products with good discounts. Now we all know more than 70-80% sale of Amazon is going on, so you all can visit dhanamtej.com and select the products of your choice. I will show you some of the products. So any product you choose, it is of 60 to 70% discount offer is going on. So you can see, you can select any one particular product. And it is available in India. Then just click buy on Amazon. It goes to Amazon website and you can see. You can add to cart and then you can do the purchase. So dhanamtej.com will only assist you with the best products available in Amazon and the best offers as and when there is an offers coming up in Amazon. So visit dhanamtej.com to know the latest offers going on in Amazon and the best products you can choose from Amazon. As it's an Amazon affiliated marketing, there is no hurdles. You can choose any product of your choice and buy from Amazon. And friends, you can contact us in case you wanted to build up any Amazon affiliated website like this one, or any blog website, any cooking blog website. Also and in the description of this video we will give you our portfolio of web designing. and also any e-commerce related websites like this, Amazon affiliated marketing websites. Or we also take up the portfolio websites of any carrier portfolios like this one. I will provide you in the description down, and you'll have a WhatsApp section also here, so you can contact us through WhatsApp.